Alright guys, tonight I've just been detailing under the hood. I did get the coil packs in, I hadn't slapped those on yet. Kind of dark in the camera, but I'll get some other pictures of it. Just going through, just wiping everything down. Kind of cleaned it all with a degreaser first. I've been using this Gate products that we got at the show. Oh, no. Just thinking about it. There we go. Gate products. We got the show. This is the tire shine. I'm just using it to black. Okay, the crossbar is on. So, and the coil packs are in too. So just got all that done. I'm about to run up to the store and I'm gonna give you a shot of them up there, a little bit more light, and then grab some fuel. So we'll see how it does with the coils. I'm not sure it's gonna do anything any better, but it's worth a shot. Get those O2 sensors in, slap those in, see how it goes. All right, if it still cranks, I've done something good. Turn the air down. Well, it started. That's good. Let's take it over to the store. See what it looks like. Slow speed driving seems to do all right most of the time. That's when I get into it, so we'll see how it does here in just a second. All right, let's see what it sounds like. We'll get into it a little bit here. All right, there it is. Engine bay's pretty much tidied up. Got everything kind of blacked out. Touched up some stuff. Got the crossbar, strut bar there, all painted up. So pretty happy with that. It looks pretty clean. And I've got the new Cobra. These Cobras always turn gold. They're supposed to be silver. So I got a new one at the shop. Get that slapped on and that'll be pretty nice. All right, let's try it again. See how it acts this time. Okay, so I've got some seats coming in, got some ordered. The front seats are going to just be black with red stitching. They're the Spec D racing seats, and they're not super racy looking, but they got a pretty good sporty look to them, so it should look pretty good. The rear seat, I just ordered a stock rear seat, which is the stock Cobra seat, so it'll be tan, but I'll probably end up staining it black to match the front seats and just do all black interior. So I think it'll look pretty good. So here's a picture of those now. And whenever those get in, we'll get them all you know, installed, everything. I'll show you some videos on that, and staining them or whatever we decide to do there. So hopefully those will get in pretty quick, but that's all for now. Thanks.